Hello everyone, in this video I will explain the concept of linear momentum. So the momentum is a vector quantity, the momentum of an object, mass m, moving with a velocity v. So the momentum p is equal the mass multiplied by the vector velocity. I can consider two cases. Imagine here a table, and I have a mass. This is the mass, m, moving to the right. This is the velocity v. The case number one. I can also consider a second case when the mass m is moving to the left with the velocity v, mass m. Here, the p, the vector p, is always with the direction of v. So p and v have the same direction. Why? Because the mass is positive. So p and v have the same direction. So in the first case, the momentum is directed to the right, p. In the second case, it's oriented to the left with v. Now, what's about the magnitude? Each vector has a magnitude. So in our case here, the magnitude p is equal m multiplied by v. For example, if I have m equal 500 grams, and the velocity is equal to meters per second, so the momentum here in in international system, the mass must be expressed with kilogram and the velocity with meter per second. So the momentum is with kilogram meter per second. So in my cases here, the mass is 500 grams. So I have to convert this mass to the kilogram. And 500, I have to divide by 1,000, it becomes 0.5 kilogram multiplied by 2. So it equal to 1 kilogram meter per second. And it's directed to the right. In the second case here, imagine the mass is equal 3.5 kilogram. The velocity is 3 meters per second. In this case, the momentum equal m, the magnitude of the momentum, m multiplied by v. I have already the mass with the kilogram, so no need to convert it to the kilogram. It's different to the first case. First case, the mass was with a gram. Now I use this value, 3.5, multiplied by 3 meters per second. I will obtain 10.5 kilogram meter per second. This is the value of the momentum in the second case. And it's directed to the left. So the momentum, linear momentum of any object moving with a velocity v is a vector quantity. So it has a direction, and the direction, don't forget, the direction of p is the same, the direction of the velocity, because the mass is positive. However, when I will calculate the magnitude, I simply write p equal m times v, and the mass must be with kilogram and the velocity with meter per second. Thank you for your attention.